What's up, guys? What's up? Today I'm gonna be doing the cubicle competition vlog on OCSEF at the Discovery Cube, and yeah, I'm late. This dude, look at this dude. Dank. He's so dank.
Where's my stuff? This is mine, this is mine, this is mine, this
Oh my god.
That's mine,
I really like
that's
this.
mine.
I mean, it won't replace my main, but it's really good.
Where'd my 6x6 go? Oh, there it is.
If you were to sell this, what's your price?
Let's see.
It's a good tripod.
It was $20 on the cubicle plus $2 for stickers, so I need to make a profit, so $25.
Never mind.
Is this an E-Cube?
It's a shitty diagonal.
Oh, this is
Is this a V-Cube? What the heck is this?
Oh yeah, right. There's
It's a Yushin.
Oh my god, it's a Chinese knockoff. I think it is.
Too old.
I would have bought the Chi, but then I missed the sale by like 2 days.
What were your times?
Oh god, is this mine? Wait, it is mine. Can I see yours? Oh god, oh okay.
Haha.
this is my bulk.
Is this a G-perm?
C-perm. What is this? Let me see.
Oh wait, it is magnetic.
Why is my 7x7 a phone stand?
It's a 7x7. Get your own 7x7.
Wait,
That one dude's 2x2, right?
That's mine.
That one. What is it? A LiPo?
Wingpo.
If I can use any of your cubes and
tripod. Let's see if this works.
Can you make sure to It's my first time trying to square one. That's pretty good.
Wait, which square one? Hey, Bobby,
Perfect fighter cube.
which square one is it?
It's a I don't even know.
Because everyone knows the Calvin's puzzle is the only good one.
Yeah, guys,
Yeah, dude. Calvin's puzzle is OP.
Calvin's puzzle.
Oh my gosh, now I'm determined to get square one.
Magnets or ball Ball bearings.
Wait, what's my how does
Call
I don't want to wear out my hands before I get out.
7x7s because they're just boundaries.
See, it's fine.
Totally fine.
It's not as bad as the Shingshao 6x6.
I'm really good at 6x6, guys. Watch this. For the viewers. For the.
It's a 7x7.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
Well,
I did.
Yeah,
I did.
that's pretty bad. When I'm solving, should I use my head strap or just put this next to?
you should do that.
I'll hold it for you.
Incorrect.
It's a ball.
Hey, I did it. You guys.
Yeah, I use GANs. I don't use Volt.
Everybody. Wait, your team Gans?
What? Yeah.
We're sponsored by Gans.
Are you sitting here still? Are you sitting here still?
No.
You want to sit here? I was borrowing your seat for a while. But you want to?
You're getting rejected, okay?
I'm so.
Wants to see something cool.
What?
You're looking for 1x1x2? Wait, is it missing?
2x1, you mean? I don't know where they went.
Justin, do you know what happened to the 1x1x2?
It's a 2x2x1.
Oh.
If I sold you a Cube M for $1, would you buy it?
Oh my god, yeah.
Yes.
Dude, those are $10
Do you
on
even
the
know how
cube.
boop cubes are made?
I'm selling or trading both of these.
I'm kidding.
Wait.
Cut a 2x2 cord in half.
Is this a 10 cube?
You don't trade how I see you back to my Yu-Gi-Oh days.
Why are you gonna use my Yu-Gi-Oh?
I have a 1x. I have.
I'm gonna trade this.
There we go.
Oh god. It's a
Oh my god, it's
Illuminati.
impossible cube.
Does anyone have a
I'm gonna set the
Sharpie?
world record.
You used to be owned by Chris.
Ah, Dina.
Wait, this was.
I keep doing nothing on these.
It's gonna be so fast.
Hey guys, is this a vault?
Like, I'm too obsessed with square one now.
You want it?
Yes.
To
Are you
get.
vlogging?
I'm
No.
Follow your From the Cube on Instagram.
Is that no scam? Wow.
Actually, no. I want it back.
Shameless self-promotion.
Solve it. Solve it.
Shout out
I'm really good at this. Solve it. Oh, wait, guys, watch this. I'm boss. How do you even turn a square one? I mean, this is how you do it.
Isn't this yours?
No. Yes.
Use that art.
And you don't know how to.